Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today. Well, I made this image for, a couple days ago, and I can explain to you these layers first. Okay, this is my base image, which I shot long time ago for test shooting for, whiskey bottle and the glass. And I also made this mask last time. Okay, now turn this mask off now. Then this is the base image. And also I have this, let me turn this base image off. Now I have this pencil drawing type image, which I made by Adobe Photoshop using filter called Find Edges. I duplicate two of them. One is, but change the one is overlay layer mode. So if I going back to normal, it shows same thing. Except this is, I don't know, I hide something. I think, I don't know. Well, this one is also same image. This one is multiply layer mode and opacity down to 50%. So this layer is pretty dark. Pencil drawing type image, real clear. Okay, now we have two of them. Then one is multiply, the other one is overlay, then 50%, both of them. That's the base image. Now we got about 50, right? Okay, now I painted on this color last time. Didn't show much, but I painted on. Then I think I changed this layer mode, something hard light or vivid light, or something different layer mode. Well, turn on the base image. Now you see the effect of this layer 3 color image. Okay, that was normal, right? This is one, on and off, you see. Now I don't know if I had this. No, I didn't, I guess. Well, now I have these 2, 4, 5 layers now. Then want to make this image. Original base image was 4x5 vertical shape, but I want to make this one square. I like this image to be square canvas size. So from now I'm gonna make this one first to square. How? Well, this time I'm going to try smudge tool. Then this is Blackburn. Then just smudge from here to outside, like so. So in this case, what I'm doing is just expand the background canvas size. About the smudging is smudge this image too, from light side to outside. You see what I mean? This lighting, just smudge and use this lighting effect the other side too. Now here, doesn't have to be accurate because I'm gonna make mask later, so won't show much. Now we have almost big square canvas size. Okay, now let's see. about maybe pencil drawing type image. Turn it on. You see this outside here like that. This is colors different. It's effect come from overlay layer. So if you go this one change, it shows differently colors. Now you see that these lines, this is vertical image first place. So I'm gonna make this mask also same way, just paint it canvas size. So this time I'm gonna use paint because, well, let's turn this one back to 100. So which means this pencil drawing type. Well, I guess I made like this, made a mistake like this. Just touched it. So I'm gonna well, let's see this first one. Turn this one off, then change the layer mode, opacity 100, change back to layer mode normal, the image I made by Adobe Photoshop. So I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna delete first on this overlay mode, delete, then duplicate this one. Then one is okay, go back, not duplicate. I'm gonna make this mask, make it square. This is white outside, right? Canvas size, rectangle. Okay, how about this? Then I guess make it this one, rectangle. Just select. I think it's painted color fill. This is white color fill. Then it's already, now we have square canvas size, which is same thing on base image. Now I'm going to duplicate, then change the layer mode normal to overlay, then opacity down to 50. Let's see, I'm gonna change this layer mode also to multiply, then go to 50%. Okay, now it's the same thing. When you turn this one off, you see the overlay effect. When you turn it off, you only see the basement. We got it. Okay. Now, colors just I painted on, so it doesn't show. It's okay, but I don't need this white stuff, so I'm gonna erase this. I don't need this. And this one too. Just erase it. Erase. Now we have only color layers. Yeah. This mask, I'm gonna change this mask. So I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna invert this mask. Now reveal this. Oil on canvas. Well, let's see first. 100. Oh, it's not moving. Well, this is fun too. Okay, now how about Fresco? This is Fresco. Go back. How about Qual? Oh, this is interesting. Brush 2. Now reveal. Overall. This is cool. What I like about is density of the brush is change when you touch first time. First touch goes to little dog. I like this. I want to finish up, and I'm gonna just save one image. I like this. Yeah, what do you think? Nice whiskey gold. Well, this is one of the image I'm gonna keep. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'm gonna change clear mask, then again invert. Now from here. Terraria. Oh, kind of artistic. Yeah, this is kind of my type. Okay, I want to keep this. Now clear this, then invert. Now from here. Kind of interesting. Well, maybe mud brush. How about combination of this mud brush? Duplicate layer, then change the mask. Well, we'll leave this one here, and then change this mask. Clear, then invert mask. Now reveal this about, well, watercolor. And then just add another layer. Well, thank you for watching my video, and well, I gotta think about it more. I gotta study about it. Yeah, I gotta do it again, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And that's it for today, and see you next time. Thank you again. Bye now. Ciao.